Good morning, Paris. Blessed Friday morning to you. I'm gonna look so foggy. From my Jamaican home to wherever you are. First Friday in a 2020. And I hope that you all had a blessed holiday. You know? I hope the holiday was good for you and yours. Nothing, too much never happened. I'm here giving thanks, trying to put out a little vlog for you today. Okay, you see my back pan vlog, but I'm gonna get there, man. I'm better too. I'm gonna be getting there. And my head I look lean. Anyway, and at the kitchen potato, and I hope it will be good morning, good evening, and most of all, it will be good night when you cock up in your bed and I watch Debbie Debs on my yard. Yeah, in the kitchen, me I start off the vlog, yeah, missus, cause I didn't do anything over the holiday. I don't know. I don't know if me have company. Any of you never cook? Me not cook nothing. I cook nothing. No, I don't do anything. I made 2 bottles of sorrel and we had one. And one is, well, half of one is left there. But outside of that, I never even go farmer's market. What about you? Tell me, did you take it like me? I not stop sleep. Me sleep so till. But I'm going to flip the camera and make you see where I go up to in that kitchen here. Throughout the day and other things. See? So, in the kitchen, this is what I am about. I am gonna go fix it, make this bad one. I'm gonna buy it. And then I took it out from Monday evening. Put it down the bottom of the refrigerator. So, it's still cool, but it's properly thawed. You know, you have to tie your arm in your bottom of the fridge. Anyway, you know, so it's thawed now, but it still have a little coolness. So I have it out here about an hour or so to get it to room temperature. Then I gonna wrap it up, put it in one better oven than the one in my kitchen, and all of that. So this is what I'll be doing, and other things too. Might be a lengthy vlog. I'm not so sure yet. Or maybe I do it in a 2. It's gonna be a really busy day for me. I not think I go up on the road. I have to ask. I need stuff on the road, but I might have to ask that. So stick and stay with me now. A Debbie down a yard, same where, on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. This me all about. Sink over there, so one tidy up and I go boil up some water, throw in my dish drain and try empty, kind of half empty it and all of that. Christmas was just resting for me, so I catch you in the next clip, eh? May I catch you, Paris? So I wrap my arm. And you know that remember, Paris, this is not a tutorial. We don't do cooking tutorials over here. We just share whatever we do. Still feel like a college, but the oven we take care of it. So this is like basically 16.5 pounds. So it will go in the oven for 4 hours when we calculate it. And if you want to know how I come about that, we have a tutorial on the Jamaican cooking journey, which is West Indian Delights. We did our very first time on there, 2018, almost for Christmas. And the procedure that we used to come about with a little maths, we did a little, just a little basic maths to know the weight of your arm and how long it for bake for. Alright, so I'm going to put my arm in this really weighty. Yup. Bad boy up. So 4 hours, I'm going to put it almost to, I think at broil, almost to broil. Not going to use this oven in the kitchen. I'm telling about it already. So this is it. So in that 4 hours there, we're supposed to get all it done. Doing an ham, the hardest part is when after it's finished baking, and then you put on your glaze. That is the hardest part, because you have to pop it in and out of the oven within 15-20 minutes interval. So about 2 to 3 times. That's the hardest part of doing a ham, Paris. Remember, if you want to know how to do your ham, if you have never done one before, if you have one in your freezer where you get as present, if your hubby buy one and you never know if you can do it, we are going to leave the link to how we did our ham on West Indian Delights, otherwise known as the Jamaican Cooking Journey. And you go check out those two tutorials. Don't send and ask Debbie. There's no recipe for this. You just put the ham for bake and make your own glaze of choice and put it in there. If you so call it a recipe, go there. It will be there for you. See you in the next clip. Pari me that I try invent one glaze to me So this what we have inside there so is the juice for the pineapple, 1 can pineapple, and some mandarin orange segments. So I blend them all together and I put a little brown sugar. And this is the color. I kind of like that color here, but guess what? It not have no. Me never, as me tell you now, me never gonna mark it. Because I think about pineapple, passion. I was thinking about passion. A passion flavored is lovely. Who have ever done this? Anybody ever do passion flavor Please comment. It's beautiful, nice finish, pretty color, and the taste is something else. So I didn't look a little color here, but it's boiling with the sugar coming down. But I don't get no taste. I don't have no taste. But I think I'm going to put a lime juice and something. Make it go on as it goes along. So I'm in here, so I have less than an hour to take it out party. And let me tell you, it look like them I make the stove wrap them wheat now. You see camera girl? That working on a light, you know. The literally bend the stove rack. See it? You saw it deep? Yep. So I have about an hour, little less than an hour for go. To take out that So 2 things. I don't remember if I said to you, I have some little cake, so I want to give away for New Year gift, like a post New Year gift, so I have to them. So the people them are going to come round in the weekend for me give it to them. So then I deal with in the other oven over in my regular kitchen. So I get them in there and I'm almost done. And all of that. I still want to show you some of the little things. It's not just about that alone I'm doing. I have the kitchen for tidy. So I swear. But I do like this color. Comment. I always like colors like these on my arm. But I don't taste. I put some lime juice in it. If he said to bring up the taste. What do you think? Mandarin segments and the juice. And the pineapple and brown sugar in this. What do you think? Talk to me in the comment section. Camera girl say yes. Camera girl, it come with this. But it I go change the color. But if we not strawberry jam, I mix and match. This is a real thing. That is why I tell people. No tutorials over here. This is realer than tutorial. Tutorials are real. We go in depth, we share, and all of that. So, when me take out the we tell you how it goes. See, you know, so me wet, and I'm hungry for a slice of this Catch you. So Paris, this is my new puppy, Tori. Come here, Tori girl, come here. Tori, come here, girl, come. Hope see her breast them a come down, so she pregnant. Me say, Paris, me just get this little puppy and then tell me say she's a little puppy about 5 or 6 months. I got her about a month before Christmas. And Paris, you don't believe me say, Tori pregnant. And it look like Thumper have an foot in it, you know. If him not have fully, and Thumper come here. Come here, come. Say hi to the Paris them. Come. You saw them dig out this a Paris? Tori. So this is my new little puppy. Look like she's with child. Tori. Oh no, comment Paris, she look like she young. And tell me what type of dog she is. She is pregnant. She's a Paris, you know, see if you make trouble here in the 2020. Thumper, come here. Paris, come here. You got to go look at job, boy. Come. Come in the Paris then see you. Long time they don't see you. Come now. Come. Come now, Pops. Hi, Tori. Say hi to the people. Tori. But she a one fighter in a Paris. She not wrap up for fight. Can somebody tell me in the comment section what kind of dog she is? I really don't know. I'll be grateful. Thumper. Yes, Paris. Thumper broke out. Him have child and children on the way. And it's so easy like Miss Bertha Donkey. Catch you in the next clip, Paris. Alright, Paris, we just come from the oven. I have to go back. You know what happened? I never remember if I just turn down the oven low. I turn it off, so I have to go turn it on. Light it back again. See it here? You see it? It's not a tutorial. I'm just showing camera girl. You shake the bone and you just barely touch the bone, you see it? The whole arm jerk right through that when the bone right through, it's movable through the arm. That means the arm is properly baked. So I have to make it cool in a Paris. It's beautiful. It's a beauty though. I'm not dress it yet, decorate it yet. But probably when we decorate it, you might see the end of it. It's a lovely I hope it have a good flavor. I not even know what flavor it said. I did just take it up because the place was so full. But it's a beauty. Carry them right. Oh, some other part right there. So leave. Forget off. This is hot, you know. I don't want to burn me. So Paris, this is my finish after Christmas. Give them a look. I am through for now. All I feel said want to do I eat now. You can all comment.
Pretty. Go right around.
Yeah, keep going right around it, Kimmy. I mean, then they show them the reality kitchen. We have left it tidy up and the other one over so. Kimmy, a video for no reality kitchen. Show them so I get few little cakes done. I said I have to give out. So I want to wet them again, little by little. This is my reality after I clean my kitchen. This is my first little 2020 vlog. I have a lot of pans and pots and sitting outside to do. I have got a turkey. I've never done a turkey before. It's my first turkey. It's in the deep freeze. I don't know what I'm waiting. Should I do it? I think I want to do a jerk turkey. But
yeah, jerky?
Jerk turkey. Yeah. I want to get it tenderized in the oven and then finish it on the jerk pan. Not going to be a tutorial doing a Paris. I don't think so. I don't think it's going to be a tutorial. But you comment and tell me if you think we should make it be a tutorial. Don't tell me I've never done a turkey. Me never buy a turkey and the first me buy one. But it's there and as me tell you now. And then me have one tour if you go, but I don't think you know get it in that vlog yet. Me and Kimar gonna go eat me dear a restaurant and the story will come, the story will follow in the next vlog. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Happy New Year once more to all the new Paris over here. Blessed love, thank you. Welcome to the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. Make sure you are subscribed. When you subscribe, remember to hit the bell. When you hit the bell, leave me a comment below. Show them the one more time, Dakimi. This was what I did. I don't know how much me do. If me do good, only tell me that in the comment section. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay, pantapatting. Stay for the back then story time with me and Dad. And stay for the after the restaurant aftermath. That the story. Stay loved, stay blessed. And catch you the next vlog.